We are in the preparation of alkanes. So previously we have discussed the preparation by the method of catalytic reduction, unsaturated hydrocarbon, then from carboxylic acid, so now comes Corey house mechanism. This comes under the acidic. Okay. See here what happens. We have to take the alkyl halide and then treat it with lithium dialkyl cuprate. Cu refers to cuprate, that is copper group. Here what happened is that it leads to the formation of the alkane with the removal of the lithium bromide and then methyl cuprate. Okay. Then comes the preparation of alkane from Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent will simply represented by RMgX. Okay. So this is said to be the R, that is alkyl orange RH group, and then halogen group. This refers to magnesium. So this on treatment with the dry ether, we are having methyl magnesium bromide. In the place of this chloride, we have to take any halogen group. Okay. So next comes the RMgX, that is the methyl magnesium bromide. On treatment with water, what happened? We are having the cleavage over this CH3 and then Mg group. Here the bond cleaved and then one hydrogen adds to this CH3, so that we are having CH4. Now this MgOH and then Cl formation. Okay, so the methane forms from that, right? Now we'll move on to the physical properties of alkane. So in physical properties, see here the alkane. So this is given in the easier manner in your book. So now physical state, that is alkane with carbon 1 to carbon 4, that seems to be gases. So when it is from carbon 5 to carbon 17, it exists in liquid form. Whereas carbon 18 and above, they seems to be solid at room temperature. Okay. So nama solubility pathona. So it is insoluble in water and soluble in non-polar solvents. Okay. Then density. So density, if we check with the density, they will have less density when compared with water, and they seems to float on the top of the water. Okay. And it is simply miscible, won't get miscible, that is immiscible with water. Then boiling point, it gets increases as carbon chain length increases. It get decreases in the degree of branching. Okay. So now in boiling point and the physical point. Okay. That is the physical state. Here what happens? Because of this Van der Waals force of attraction, they generally depends on the molecular surface area with increase in molecular size. Okay, when the molecular size, the size of the molecule increases, their Van der Waals force will become weaker. Okay, so that increase in the number of the chain, carbon chain, Van der Waals force will get weaker, right? The boiling point decreases with increase in branching and the molecule becomes compact, so the area of contact decreases, right? Then in solubility and the density, the water molecules are polar and also the alkanes are non-polar, right? So it seems to get insoluble with the water, whereas it is quite opposite with the non-polar solvent, right? See here, the insolubility of alkanes will make the water to get a good water repellent, so that for metals also this will used as a coating to prevent it from corrosion, and also for the repellent of water property, it is used for this purpose, right? So actually this will have the density difference between alkanes and then water explains why oil spills in aqueous environment spread so quickly. Right? So because of this water repellent nature only. So we all know Apple will produce its own wax which contains a long unbranched chain alkanes. Okay, and then these wax will help to apple to resist from moisture loss, and also this will enhance the fruit fullness and slow down the natural degradation. அந்த மேல ஆப்பிள்ல இயற்கையாகவே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா வேக்ஸ் கோட்டிங் இருக்கும். அந்த வேக்ஸ் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும் அல்ஃபாட்டிக் அல்கைன் வந்து என்னன்னா இட்ஸ் ஜென்ரல் ஃபேட் அண்ட் ஆயில் இதுல தான் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆயிருக்கும். ஸோ இப்போ ஆப்பிள் மேல வந்து நம்ம ஆர்டிஃபிஷியலா வேக்ஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணலனாலும் அதுல நேச்சுரலாவே த ஆப்பிள் வில் ஹாவ் வேக்ஸ் கோட்டிங். ஓகே, அந்த வேக்ஸ் கோட்டிங் வந்து எதுக்குன்னா பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த ஃப்ரூட் சீக்கிரம் வீணாகாம இருக்கும், டீக்ரேட் ஆகாது. அதே மாதிரி மாய்ஸ்சர் லாஸ் இல்லாம இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃப்ரூட் நல்லா ஃபும்டா இருக்கும். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ திஸ் வில் பி resist towards the artificial wax coating. Okay, so that artificial wax coating is harmful to the digestive system, right? So that only we have to clean the apple properly, and also we have to peel the skin of the apple. After that we have to consume if it coated with the artificial wax. So now comes the conformation of alkanes. The conformation simply refers to the arrangement of the molecule, that is the interconvertible three-dimensional arrangement of a molecule. Okay, so conformations of ethane. So if we take conformation of ethane, it will have the eclipsed conformation and then staggered conformation. So that simply refers to the position. See here, you see the term conformer, that simply refers to the two tetrahedral methyl group that will rotate. They can rotate about the carbon-carbon bond axis that will yield several arrangements, that is said to be a conformer. Extreme conformation or staggered and then eclipsed conformation. So there can be a number of other arrangements between staggered and eclipsed conformation form. Okay, so this arrangement is generally known as skew forms. Skew forms. See here in eclipsed conformation, this is the structure of that. So the hydrogen of one carbon directly bonded this behind that, directly behind the other carbon, so that there exists the repulsion between the atoms which is maximum, and this seems to be less stable. If we take staggered conformation, here they will have minimum repulsion and they seems to be more stable compared with this eclipsed conformation. See here in skew formation, the staggered is more stable when compared with skew. When compared with the eclipsed, they are more stable. So these are the conformation. This refers to the rotation of the molecule. So நம்ம ஒரு side rotate பண்ணும்போது we are having the position of that hydrogen as like this form. So this is said to be a Newman projection formula. If we take N-butane, the eclipsed and then staggered form will be exist in this form. Okay, so butane ku vandu pathina we are having 4 carbon, whereas for propane we are having 3 carbon, right? So that gets varied as in this form. See here, you see the gauche, planar and then gauche. So that refers to the different position of the group. See, this refers to the graphical representation of the conformation. Here the eclipse, and this refers to the gauche, and then eclipse, planar trans, eclipse, trans. So like that goes on. Now comes chemical properties of alkane. See here the term paraffin is the older name for alkane. So previous alkane என்றது paraffin அப்படிதான் இருந்தது. So now it gets changed. See here, this comes from the Latin word which means little activity. See, paraffin means little activity. See, first comes combustion. This is to be the chemical properties. So here in combustion, what happened? That takes place in the presence of oxygen. We are having the formation of carbon monoxide. Again, the treatment of 1 mole of oxygen, we are having carbon formation. With halogenation, we are having the halogen group that is attached with the alkane, so that we are having the alkyl halide formation, and then the removal of HCl. Okay, that takes place with all the derivatives. See here, this methyl chloride, further on treatment with chlorine, we are having CH3Cl2. Again, this on treatment with chlorine, we are having chloroform. This on treatment with the chlorine, we are having CCl4. Okay. This reaction takes place in the presence of light with increase in temperature. So now we'll move on to the mechanism of this reaction. Here it is a three-step reaction: chain initiation, chain propagation, and then chain termination. Okay. So the first comes chain initiation. So which means here we have to initiate the reaction with the help of the UV light, so that the Cl2 in that split into a radical, that is simply 2Cl dot. So now in chain propagation, what happens? This will take place the attack of the free radical to the methyl group. In the presence of light, we are having CH3. Methane in that one hydrogen that leads to formation of the methyl radical and then hydrochloric acid. Again, this methyl radical with chlorine, we are having methyl chloride, chlorine along with the radical. Okay, in next step, chain termination. In termination, what we have to do is that the 2Cl, that is a radical, will lead to the formation of a bond. Again, methyl radical leads to the formation of the ethane. This with the methyl group with the radical will leads to form methyl radical group. So this is said to be the chain termination. This will be the mechanism of the alkane. In the next chemical properties, aromatization. See, in aromatization, there will be the formation of aromatic ring. This takes place. It is simply the dehydrogenation. So, which means here the hydrogen will get removed and they leads to form the cyclic structure. That is simply benzene. Then reaction with steam. In reaction with steam, what we have to do is that we have to take the alkane along with water in the presence of nickel. Then we are getting the formation of carbon monoxide with the elimination of hydrogen. Now in pyrolysis. So pyrolysis அப்படின்றது என்னன்னா, it is simply the thermal decomposition. நம்ம அதை temperature increase பண்ணி அதை heat பண்ணியே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், we have to make the compound to get decomposed into a smaller fragments. Okay, this takes place in the presence of air through the application of heat. So the word pyro, which means fire, lysis means separating. So pyrolysis now, we have to fire it and then separate the compound. Okay, so this also named as cracking. Okay, so actually this takes place in the absence of air. So now let us take one example. See here, CH3, CH2, CH3. So this refers to the propane. So this on heating, what happened? We are getting propene, right? Along with the elimination of hydrogen and then methane also, right? So this is especially more important in the petroleum industry. For cracking, they used to move on to this pyrolysis method. Then comes isomerization. See, in isomerization, we are having the compound will get changed into another isomeric forms. So an isomer that refers to the structure. Okay, so one it changed from here in this example. Here it changed from linear chain to branched chain, right? So this is said to be the isomerization. They will have the same molecular formula, but only the structure will get varied. Here it is in linear structure, here it is in branched structure. And now comes the uses. So uses வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா, this alkene will be very useful in the fuels. Okay, they are very useful in fuels. Actually, it is a natural cleaning product. Okay. So especially for combustion engines and gasoline, cooking purpose, LPG, so for domestic purpose and also for industries, so this plays a major role. The carbon black is used in the manufacture of ink, black pigments. Also, it will use, and it is used in fillers. So here in this table, the number of carbon atom is given and their state. Then what is their uses? So carbon 1 to 14, it is in gaseous state, that is used for heating, cooking, and then that is cooking fuel. Then carbon 5 to 7, we are having low boiling liquid, solvents and gasoline. C6 to C12, liquid gasoline. Again for 12 to 24, it is used for jet fuel, portable stove fuel. So it is in liquid state. Again 18 to 15, carbon chain in the range that brother. It will be used for high boiling liquid. So diesel fuel, lubricant, heating oil, for the time. So when it is 50 plus, it is solid state. So that is simply petroleum jelly, paraffin wax use பண்ணுவாங்க. So that's all about this alkane. So next session we move on to alkene preparation. Sorry, the nomenclature, preparation, and then properties includes both physical properties and then chemical properties. Then comes their uses.